Yo, it's your boy NASCAR 6. I'm about to show you how to tint your tail lights, how to make a stencil for it by using these right here. Alright you guys, there's a line on your tail lights from the factory that distinguishes the black paint from the actual light. You can hear my fingernails hitting it. That's what I'm trying to find. That's the outline of the light all the way around to here. So what I did was take that piece of paper to it, and I'm about the old school elementary school leaf trace until I find that line all the way around. Once I get that line, cut it out, put it on top of the tint, cut the tint out, you got your stencil of a perfect tracing of your tail lights. So there's my line right there. I don't know if y'all can see that. There's a line right there. That's the line I need to cut out. I don't have to worry about the middle line because all that's going to be covered. This is I'm exposing the middle line right now. And that's going to be the little black line right here. I don't need to really cut that out because I'm just doing the whole, cover this part and cover that part. So this piece right here in the middle is irrelevant. I got this part cut out. And all I want to do is make sure that the tint piece is bigger than this white piece. Alright, next step is to take the tint. Probably gonna get it and cut it into some smaller pieces. Alright folks, there you have it. I got them tinted on both sides. I did not record me doing that side because it made no sense. I literally just copied the same thing I did to that side. Sorry, homie, but I don't mean to brag and shit, but you could